Hey there, Progreda Pros. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for understanding your audience, surveys. So let's talk about why surveys are so important. They help you get into the minds of your audience, clients, or customers, whether it's gathering feedback, conducting market research, or just understanding what makes your audience tick. Surveys are your secret weapon. And guess what? Progreda makes creating and using surveys ridiculously easy. Let's get started. So first, log in. Let me share my screen here first. Of course, log into your Progreda account. And here, head over to the sites and look for surveys and click Builder. So here, on the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a big blue button that says Add Survey. And here, go ahead and click that, and it's where the fun begins. So you'll now have two options. Start from scratch if you want to build a survey entirely your way, and choose from templates if you want a quick and easy setup. So for this tutorial, let's keep things simple and choose a template and click Continue. So here's where Progreda shines. You've got access to hundreds, if not thousands, of professionally designed surveys. And they're neatly organized into categories, making it super easy to find exactly what you need. So for example, let's say you're working on a content creation market research survey. So let's say this one. Select that template and click Continue. All right. And now for the magic, this is where you get to put your unique spin on the survey. So Progreda Survey Builder gives you full creative freedom, so you can change pictures to match your branding, customize colors to make your survey pop, edit the wording to fit your tone and style, and even switch up fonts to make it look just right. So take your time to make it perfect. Progreda makes it super intuitive, so you'll have fun tweaking every detail. So once everything looks good, just click Save. Now that survey is ready. So let's talk about how to share it with the world. So Progreda makes it easy to embed the survey on your website, share the link directly with your audience, or even send it via email campaigns so your audience will love how professional and engaging it looks. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to create and use surveys in Progreda. All right, so whether you're collecting feedback, running market research, or just trying to learn more about your audience, Progreda surveys are your good to go and go to tool. So if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share it with your team, and don't forget to check out our other videos to level up your Progreda skills. So if you have questions or need help, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.